In this video, we review Plexytrade Broker. Have you used Plexytrade Broker before? What was your experience? Leave your Plexytrade Broker review in the comments section below. Plexytrade is a relatively new broker in the online trading space, drawing mixed reviews across several platforms. Some traders appreciate its user-friendly interface and fast trade execution, which can be advantageous in high-volatility markets. However, others raise concerns over regulatory oversight and transparency, particularly regarding its registration in the Marshall Islands, a jurisdiction known for lax financial regulation. This can be a point of caution for traders seeking high security and regulatory assurance, as the broker's oversight is not as stringent as with more established financial hubs. Plexytrade offers a range of assets, including forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, appealing to traders who prefer diverse options in one platform. The leverage options are particularly generous, reaching up to 500:1 on some asset classes, which allows for significant trading power. However, high leverage also carries risks, as it can amplify losses as well as gains. The broker's spread rates are competitive but variable, which can sometimes lead to unexpected costs for traders. Customer support at Plexytrade is generally well-rated, available through email, phone, and live chat. This multi-channel approach offers some reassurance to traders, especially beginners who may require additional guidance. The broker also has educational resources, including webinars, ebooks, and a trading academy aimed at helping less experienced users. For more seasoned traders, Plexytrade offers technical analysis tools and features like expert advisors, EAs, for algorithmic trading, which can streamline decision-making. The broker does not charge deposit or withdrawal fees, which adds to its appeal, but it does impose a $15 inactivity fee after a year of dormancy. Some users on review sites mention challenges with withdrawals, including delays of several days, especially for larger sums. This has raised concerns among traders who prioritize smooth fund transfers as part of their trading experience. Security-wise, Plexytrade employs standard measures, such as SSL encryption and two-factor authentication, to protect client accounts. However, as a relatively young and offshore broker, it lacks the established reputation and trustworthiness of more regulated competitors. This has led to some skepticism in online reviews, where traders caution about using higher deposit amounts until the broker's credibility is more established. Overall, Plexytrade may suit traders who are seeking high leverage, diverse trading options, and do not prioritize stringent regulation. While its customer service and educational resources are beneficial, potential issues with withdrawals and regulatory concerns are factors to consider. For risk-averse traders, a more established broker might provide greater peace of mind. For those willing to navigate the potential risks, Plexytrade offers an extensive asset range and competitive trading conditions,